Good morning, students. I, Neelu Sharma, your science teacher, welcome you all in the another session of your science class. Student, we are discussing about the chapter number 4 of science physics, and in the previous session we have discussed about heat and temperature and their differences. In the continuation of this chapter only, today we are going to discuss about types of thermometer. Children, have you seen a thermometer? Recall that when you or someone else in your family had fever, the temperature was measured by a thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Children, you do one thing with me. Hold the thermometer in your hand and examine it carefully. If you do not have a thermometer, request your parent to provide it in their presence. A clinical thermometer you will see look like the one shown in this figure. A clinical thermometer consists of long narrow tube. This is glass tube and it has bulb at one end. It contains mercury. Outside the bulb, here you can see a long narrow shiny thread of mercury can be seen. If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You will also find a scale on it. Here these are some numbers are there. This is the scale. The scale we use is Celsius scale and it is indicated by degree Celsius. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Here you can also see kink glass tube. In inner glass tube is somewhat band. It is called kink. What is the function of kink? It prevents mercury level from falling on its own. The kink has been made to ensure that the mercury in the thermometer does not contract or flow back into the bulb before the temperature has been read. जब हम बॉडी का टेम्परेचर लेते हैं, जब थर्मामीटर को माउथ से निकाल कर टेम्परेचर को रीड करने का टाइम होता है, तब थर्मामीटर में मरकरी का लेवल एकदम से गिरने लगता है. ये जो किंक है ये प्रिवेंट करता है उस मरकरी के लेवल को अपने आप जल्दी से नीचे गिरने से, जिससे कि हम करेक्ट रीडिंग ले सकें. नाउ रीड विद मी द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर. A clinical thermometer has a long narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at one end containing mercury. It has a scale called Celsius scale marked in degrees Celsius. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer has a small kink. This is also called constriction near the bulb to prevent the mercury level from falling down. The normal body temperature, the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Here you can see an activity we will do. Wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly. Give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. उसको हल्का सा झटका देंगे जिससे कि उसका जो मर्करी लेवल ऑलरेडी जो भी है वो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस से नीचे आ जाए. देन प्लेस द बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मामीटर अंडर योर टंग. आफ्टर 1 minute टेक आउट द थर्मामीटर एंड नोट द रीडिंग. दिस विल बी योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. What did you record as your body temperature? The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. You can also see that the temperature is stated with its unit always. Unit is degree Celsius and it is always noted with its unit. Is the body temperature of every person 37 degrees Celsius? No. The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Here this is the digital thermometer. आप आजकल इसको भी बहुत देख रहे होंगे. What is the advantage of Digital thermometer, this is also called electronic thermometer also. Digital or electronic thermometer are preferred over conventional thermometer, mercury thermometer. Digital thermometer are easy to read because it gives LCD. Here you can see digital LCD is there. Display of temperature of the person. They are also mercury free. Mercury is not present in this thermometer. Now this is laboratory thermometer. As you know, and we have discussed also, the temperature of human body can be measured with the digital thermometer or clinical thermometer. How do we measure the temperature of other object? For this purpose, there are other thermometers. One such thermometer is known as laboratory thermometer. In this thermometer, there is no kink. As we have discussed in the clinical thermometer, there was a kink, so the temperature can fall after